and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce our esteemed speaker today. He is multifaceted, professional, and exemplary leader. His journey is one of dedication, service, and relentless pursuit of knowledge. He began his public service as a youth leader, serving as an SK official, barangay secretary, and barangay kagawad, where he laid the foundation for his passion for community development. In addition to his work in governance, he has contributed as a safety and health officer, prioritizing the well-being of the community he serves. In the field of education, he boasts an impressive academic portfolio. He earned his Bachelor of Arts in English in 2000 from St. Louis and later expanded his expertise with a Bachelor of Science in Nursing in 2007 from the La Union College of Nursing, Arts and Sciences. Not stopping there, he obtained a diploma in teaching through DIMSU Open University and further diversified his skills with a bartending NC2 certification. Currently, he is pursuing a Bachelor of Technical Teachers Education, underscoring his commitment to lifelong learning. On the professional front, he has distinguished himself with advanced degrees, earning a Master's in Public Administration in 2012, a Doctorate in Public Administration with a focus on local governance and administration in 2014, and a Doctor of Philosophy and Educational Management in 2022. These achievements reflect his unwavering dedication to excellence in both governance and education. Today, we are privileged to hear from a man whose life exemplifies the value of service, leadership, and academic pursuits. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Gudencio Docchiari and Andaya Jr.
Dapat may energy kayo kasi katatapos lang ng inyong merienda. Naimbag na bigat kada kay amin. This is my second year to be here. At kay ba itinapangatawan at miyembro ti KK. Ano kayo na sa unang ti KK? Katipunan ng kabataan. Kayo ititimpuyog dagiti agtutubo iti syudad ti San Fernando, particularly, specifically, gito'y barangay San Vicente. Because we believe sooner or later you will become productive citizens of our nation. Today, I am tasked to discuss about anti-illegal drugs and at the same time, adolescent health program kay tanay HIV/AIDS awareness nga iso iti diniskas ko iti napan nga tawen. Iso nga amok nga kada kayo dito'y nagtutubo dito'y syudad ti San Fernando diti barangay San Vicente are already bombarded with so many concepts and ideas at the same time. Kapanunutan nyo may panggap iti HIV/AIDS. Anya kayo na sa amon ti HIV? Human immunovirus. What about AIDS? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Diba? Marami kang dapat dyan na pag-uukulan ng pansin kapag nangangayayat ka, kapag scaly ang iyong balat, bak-bak-bak, way nagkurkursing, diba? Maraming itchiness, at pantal-pantal mo, when at the same time, lagi kang nagkakaroon ng singaw na matagal, na gumaling, and at the same time, nag-yellow na rin yung mata mo, or may mga portion ng katawan mo nag-i-extend, something we need to look forward, you need to consult a physician, or you need to have a screening or the HIV/AIDS test para masigurado kung kayo ba ay nasa pre-entry or nandoon na po sa moderate stage ng HIV or AIDS. Awan iti agas na iti AIDS. Once you're already diagnosed with that, so ti kailangan ket anti-retro di agas. Hindi pa inom ka kanya yung tatlo, pumiksa lang ti Baguio. pero didid sakit at nagdilaon. Because when we say virus, it runs in your blood. Diba? Kasi ako makadagiti syphilis, gonorrhea, agagas kati antibacterial na dati tulog, diba? Noot-ot, dagiti mabagbaging, hangka makaisbo. Babae man tin lalaki, matamaan ti dagita nga sakit. Kanta no na-diagnose ka, na-check up ka, kanda kati antibacterial. Doktor, mapukaw ba dayta? Natulo no nag-agas ka, when ang pukaw for daging time, kamuyo, daging kakakasta nga virus, maagasan, kunwari in-injectan, kawin minong ka, aglumang lang dagita nga virus, aglumang lang dayta nga sakit, aglumang kuborang dayta nga agas. But in the long run, as you continue your activity, kanayon kang agpuyat, kanayon kang sigarilyo, kanayon kang aginong tiara, kanayon kalata nga, what's the word? Diba? Ejayti entry apo iti pungpunada nga gonorrhea, wino syphilis, wino tulo nga punada. Okay, so meron na kayong background dyan. Eventually, no kanayon to dayta nga agsubli-subli nga sakit, eventually it will lead you to HIV/AIDS. Malawlawagan ti panunuyo. The anti-illegal drugs. But anyway, papalimutin lang natin para mas maintindihan nyo. Ayaw ko mag-Ingles, mas gusto ko mag-Tagalog o mag-Ilocano para mas maintindihan nyo ang inyong role as a youth. Sa uray, no adan asawa yung king anak iyo, as long as the edad yo at dabita, you are still considered as a youth. Okay. Tata the discussions talk about BADA. Anyone of you here who knows what is BADA? BADA means B stands for barangay, A stands for anti, B stands for drug, A stands for abuse, and C stands for council. In other words, BADA is Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council. Anya ti kaya nasa awan mo imbaga tayo Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council. Dahil tikot may isang konseho, may isang opisina, may isang pasat, wino platform, iti barangay, nga mangtamang kadagiti agtutsubo, wino dagiti residente, iti barangay San Vicente, tapno masalimot-mutan, iti salutat, kin, future, dagiti residente, iti may isang barangay. To see to it that they are in good hands, that they are not part kadagiti matinil, kadagiti users, can pushers, kusaw. Yes, iso nga dati kasta na programa iti dayti nga barangay, to see to it nga da kayo nga tutubo kin residente iti dayti nga barangay, ket haan nga may karkaranupon kadagitunay agdama nga problema iti kabataan na kastuma ti droga. Ado ba ako itamamuyo nga natingiwan dito barangayo, may papan iti pinagbabawal na gamot. Dagiti students ko, kastuma dagiti ESP chairman nyo, ESP kagawad nyo, they were my former students sa Secret of Colleges. The College of Criminal Justice Education, particularly for forensic science in criminology, at dagiti subjects dang atalong dagiti nga dumag droga. Marijuana kung kunada ko damlam gayang. Diba? Tapno amo. Because ignorance of the law excuses no one. Iso dinay datag dayta nga BADA nagaramid dati community awareness. Anya ti community awareness? Nagbalay-balay ka, pinayabag ka ang aming residente, and discuss that thoroughly and comprehensively, may pandok iday tunay na programa. Apay ngay nakasapulan na nga ibalay-balay, wino itok-tok, wino iparipirit, wino itubong di talapayag yun, the importance na ti BADA. Tapno ada awareness yo. Tapno magaganyo, maamuan yo, nga dagiti nga banak at kasapulan nyo nga sa limot-mutan, kin isa puso tapno kasta, mahaan kayo nga may kurkursong pinagbabawal na gamot. Tamo yung kapag nahuli ka na gumagamit o nagtitinda ng pinagbabawal na gamot, anong pwedeng mangyari sa'yo? Anong pwedeng mangyari po sa inyo? So, pwede kang makulong habang buhay. Maliban doon, ano pa? Kung pwede ka rin mabali because the late stage ng ating sobrang paggamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot ay po pwedeng malulung ka dyan.
And gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce our esteemed speaker today. He is multifaceted